Content creators who use an editorial calendar publish 60% more consistently and report 45% less stress around content creation. The calendar removes the creative burden of deciding what to create, freeing your energy for how to create it. Define 3 to 5 content pillars, broad themes that align with your expertise and audience needs. Every piece of content maps to a pillar. This ensures variety while maintaining focus. For a productivity channel, systems, tools, psychology, workflows, and reviews. Once per month, spend 60 minutes planning the next 30 days of content. For each slot, title, pillar, format, and key points. Don't write the full content yet. Just capture the idea. Batching ideation separately from creation prevents creative fatigue and ensures consistent quality. Every piece of long-form content generates 5 to 10 short-form pieces. A YouTube video becomes a blog post, 3 tweets, a LinkedIn article, an Instagram carousel, and newsletter segment. Build repurposing into your calendar as separate, scheduled tasks. Never create once and post once. Building a complete content calendar system in Notion with a master database, platform-specific views, content pillar categorization, production status tracking, and a repurposing pipeline that auto-generates derivative content tasks. Plan your next 7 days of content right now. Just titles and platforms, nothing more. Use my free content calendar template from the description and experience the relief of knowing what's coming next.